morning, class 9. Welcome to e-learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary Betia. The students, in previous video, that was part 1 of lesson My Childhood, about our most dedicated scientist president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. We have come to know in that video that he was born in middle class family of Rameswaram, state of Tamil Nadu. He learned so many good qualities from his family members, his father, his mother and grandmother, and he tried to keep those moral values till the end of his life. This present lesson is an extract from his autobiography entitled Wings of Fire, where he has said that he had 4 friends and all of them used to study, used to go to the same school, where they sat in very close association and they loved their study very much. According to labor, luck and desire of Almighty, Arbindan went into the business of arranging transport for visitors, and Shiv Prakashan became a contractor for the Southern Railways. Students, the life of Kalam Sahab is full of so many good lessons for us. He says that during the annual Sri Sita Rama Kalyanam ceremony, his family used to arrange boats with a special platform for carrying idols of Lord from the temple to the marriage site situated in the middle of the pond called Rama Tirth, which was near his house. He says that although he was coming from Muslim community, but his family was so liberal that they used to participate in one of the important Hindu festivals, and they gave their boat for carrying the idols of Lord Rama and Sita. He also makes it clear that events from the Ramayana and from the life of the prophet were the bedtime stories his mother and grandmother would tell the children in his family. He was so fortunate that his mother and grandmother, they used to tell stories taken from the Ramayana and the life of Prophet Paigambar Sahab. So his life became a unique combination of the good moral values taken from so many religions like religion of Hindu, religion of Muslims and others. He has stated about one very small incident that took place when he was in 5th standard at the Rameswaram Elementary School. A new teacher came to his class. Kalam Sahab used to wear a cap which marked him as a Muslim, and he always sat in the front row next to Ramanand Shastri, who was Brahmin by caste. They used to sit together in very happy, friendly mood and friendly atmosphere. What happened to that new teacher? He couldn't stomach a Hindu child sitting with a Muslim boy. In accordance with the social ranking, as the new teacher saw it, and Kalam Sahab was asked to go and sit on the back bench. This was the incident that happened when he was in 5th grade, 5th class, and he has beautifully described about the incident, what happened. The teacher told him not to sit with Ramanand Shastri, rather to sit at the last bench. Kalam Sahab has said that he felt very sad, and the same situation was there with Ramanand Shastri, because they loved each other without any discrimination of caste, color and creed. So both of them were very sad, very unhappy, and Ramanand Shastri went to home and he told about the incident to his family members. On the other hand, Kalam Sahab has made it clear that this was everlasting impact on his mind, that he was considered a downcast and he was told to sit at the bench where the boy from low caste used to sit. So after school, this was reported and respective parents came. Lakshman Shastri summoned the teacher and told him not to spread the poison of religion, not to spread the poison of social inequality and communal intolerance in the minds of innocent children. The teacher was very nice. He realized his mistake and promised, he regretted also and promised that he would not repeat the same way in his life. So the parents excused the teacher and the teacher also came on the right way, came on the right path, and he made it clear that this mistake was done by him and he is not going to repeat this kind of mistake in his life. The students, this a small review, a small token of interrogation by the father of Ramanand Shastri reformed the mind and heart of the teacher. He became a teacher of choice, he became a teacher of respect, and on the whole, the small society of Rameswaram was very rigid, was very strict in terms of the segregation of different social groups. However, his science teacher, Shiv Subramaniam Iyer, was an orthodox Brahmin with a very conservative wife. But he loved Kalam Sahab. He liked Kalam Sahab very much because Kalam Sahab was very simple, very polite, and he was very good at science and mathematics. His talent impressed Iyer Sahab and he invited him to dinner at his residence. Kalam Sahab was not ready. Kalam Sahab was not easily persuaded for that one, but ultimately he agreed, and Kalam Sahab has made it clear that this time this was not allowed, that a Muslim boy should be invited by a Hindu, and in that Hindu family he should sit together and he should eat together. So what happened when he went to the residence house of Iyer Sahab, and what were the reforms which were seen later on when he made his second visit to his house, we shall study in the next video in coming paragraphs. Thank you and have a nice day.